Hey, what's going on? I just want to make this quick video about Pierre program for apartment locator. It's the best thing out there. I did my research in the beginning. I've been following Pierre for a while, just checking out his content on YouTube and so forth. So finally I broke down and said, hey, let me purchase this. Let me purchase this program and see what it's about. I tell you, it's above and beyond. It provides everything you need. A library of so much information. I can't stress it enough. As far as it gives you the tools you need to go to war, right? To go out here and to have confidence, to make a difference for people. This is the program you need. You can't lose from getting it. So I don't want to sit here and say that and try to, I'm not selling this. He's not paying me anything. He's not doing anything. I'm just trying to share this information so that you can have the tools you need to be successful. Don't hesitate, get the program, get your business started. I did it. I sent out some information to clients and so forth, already getting feedback from them. As a matter of fact, it's so much. I got to put it on a pause, to be honest with you, because it works so well. So think about it, make the decision quickly as you can, because as fast as you make the decision, the faster you'll get your money in your pocket and also help people find properties that they need to live in based off what Pierre provides. So good luck to you. Don't hesitate. Reach out to me at Bruce Harrison if you need more information on your decision, but you won't regret it. I promise you.